You know the feeling. You hold your own in one-on-one conversations, but drop into a fast-paced group meeting and suddenly you freeze. You didn't suddenly forget your English. When a conversation shifts unpredictably, you lose what linguists call cognitive anchors. Without a clear, predictable context, your brain gets overwhelmed trying to decode every single syllable. We can fix this. By building a 30-minute daily routine powered by AI, we will convert the vocabulary you know passively on paper into active muscle memory. This battery diagram shows your total cognitive bandwidth. Right now, basic translation drains almost all your power. By training your brain to process sounds automatically, we free up that battery so you can focus entirely on logic and strategy, eliminating your main career bottleneck. Step 1. Gather your materials. Find a complex text document related to your job or industry. Do not use random movie scripts or sitcoms. When you use unfamiliar material, you suffer a cognitive cold start. Your brain is forced to work twice as hard, trying to guess the context while also decoding the language. Here is how familiar material fixes the problem. Think of a heavy physical hook as your background knowledge. Knowing 80% of the logic anchors your brain in place, letting you focus strictly on decoding the audio. Before we begin the exercise, you need to find a quiet, private space. You are going to be speaking out loud, so you need an environment where you won't be interrupted or feel self-conscious. With your document ready, open Google Notebook LM. Upload your professional text directly into the source panel. Next, click the Audio Overview button. This tool generates a custom podcast based on your document. Once it's done, open the transcript directly below the audio player. We use Notebook LM instead of standard text-to-speech software because it perfectly mimics natural human conversation. It includes the rapid connected speech, the slight pauses, and the filler words that actually trip you up. By completing this setup, you have created a customized, high-context language lab. You already understand the logic of the material. Now you just have to master its sound profile. Now we run the audio through the sandwich method. This is a 3-pass practice routine. Pass 1 is the logic check. Hit play on the audio and read along with the text transcript at the same time. Your goal here is to map the spoken words directly to the professional concepts you already know. We want to ensure you comprehend the core ideas, rather than just repeating sounds you don't understand. Once you finish the logic check, we move to Pass 2, decode and mark. Rewind the audio and listen for phrases you easily recognized on the page but missed hearing. See the phrase tailored for? In natural speech, ending consonants blend into starting vowels. Mark these smashed together phrases visually so you anticipate their sound. Finally, Pass 3, the shadow. Close the transcript entirely. You must rely purely on your ears. As the audio plays, you must speak the exact words out loud, staying exactly half a second behind the AI host's voice. Do not treat this as passive background noise. If you just sit and listen silently, your brain will eventually filter the sounds out completely. This is a physical workout for your mouth. You must strictly match the rhythm, the intonation, and the exact connected sounds the AI produces. By forcing your mouth to keep up with the audio, the sandwich method bridges the gap between the vocabulary you recognize visually and the messy reality of spoken English. You build physical reflexes. To make this stick long-term, you need to structure your weekly schedule using the 70-30 rule. Spend 70% of your practice time strictly shadowing your familiar, domain-specific material in Notebook LM. This builds your unbreakable cognitive anchors. Spend the remaining 30% passively listening to unpredictable, general news podcasts. Do not shadow these, just use them to test how well your new listening skills hold up. This exact ratio builds an indestructible linguistic foundation for your specific career, while giving you the flexibility to handle unscripted, real-world interactions. You now have a complete AI-powered language laboratory, customized perfectly for your career path. Within the first 1 to 4 weeks, you will hit your first milestone. Your brain will stop hearing a wall of rapid noise and begin separating the sounds into clear, distinct syllables. By months 2 through 4, complex professional phrases become automatic. You won't have to translate in your head anymore, permanently freeing up your cognitive bandwidth. Take the document you read for work this morning. upload it to Notebook LM, and execute your first 30-minute routine today. Dedicating 30 minutes a day to this active physical system turns a passive linguistic struggle into a permanent career breakthrough.